Hey, it's Joel. Everybody knows that I love Doctor Who. This happens to be the TARDIS. It's 150% scale of the normal scale of the model, printed in high-five blue on my Lulzbot Taz 6. And it's wonderful, and I love it. Everybody also knows that I like robots. This is the foldable robot from Fab 365. Prints just kind of flat. And then you take it off your build plate and fold it into a robot, and I love it. I love all of this. So what if we can take Doctor Who and foldable things and squish it all together? You'll see right after this. I'm Joel. This is 3D Printing Nerd. There you are. We need to make some room, so we'll move the robot here and we'll move the TARDIS here. Now we get to talk about this model. This is the biomechanic, I believe, from Fab 365. But you and I know it as a Dalek. This is a Dalek from the Doctor Who universe in a foldable format. This was printed in Prusament Pearl Mouse on my Prusa i3 Mark III. It's still on the build plate because I didn't want to assemble it unless you could see me do it, because we all know how well that usually goes. To get off the build plate, because it's flexible, you just kind of flex it a little bit. This is the eye stalk right here. This is, what is this? This is the blaster plunger thingy that goes on one of its little arms. This foldable model is probably the most advanced one they've done so far, in that things print and then fold and then fall into place. It's extraordinary. Let's put the build plate aside and let's take a look. Here it is. It's very cool, but it's gonna be even better when we can fold it together. And one of the things you can see right off the bat, these two things right here, they print in place and then they fall through. One of them falls through, let's see. And then these pieces here fold up and click into place. Outstanding. Ooh, this might be, let's see. This, okay, freed it right there. That one's freed. The first layer squishes down a little bit, so the clearance between the two pieces sometimes isn't enough, and you just have to convince it a little bit. There. So, if I put some pressure here, it convinces. Fold in. Oh wait, there's, I think something is supposed to flip. That's right, these flip out right here. It's like a puzzle. Oh no! Okay, these are just the pieces that lock it into place. So this isn't going to prohibit me from folding it and putting it together. Thank goodness, because I would have been visibly shaken. There's these little ones right here that go in right there. Okay. So let's see, this folds down like so. Here, we'll do it so you can see it. Folds down. Okay. These, I believe, fold in. Oh, crudlies. How do I, maybe they slide. Oh, ooh, this is the tough part. This is the tough part, because I know the printer is printing just fine. We break out a little knife and we just kind of convince it right there. And there we go. Did you hear that? That was the sound of progress. Okay. So go back here and just break it off. So these just need to close up now. And this is obviously the hardest thing I've ever had to do, I guess. Oh, I see. There's these little hinges in here and they have to fold up. Of course. And I was just testing you guys. Just testing you. Now we just have to put it down all the way. It looks like there's a little catch in the front, some catches in the back. So the little folding part, it broke off. And that's okay, because we're just getting it together. Oh, okay. There we go, it's in. So far, so good. This is keyed, so it goes in like this. Oh, that's right, but it printed down, so, okay. Gotta clear it out just a little bit. Okay, I got it. There we go. Not too shabby. Last but not least is the eye stock. I think it goes in like that, and then twists. And there you have it. That's a Dalek. Exterminate! 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 Find the doctor! Exterminate! Exterminate! I do love this model. I got it from Fab365 and I paid $4.99 for it. And I think that the model is completely and totally worth it. This is really, really cool. Plus these pieces, they move. I'm sure I'll get the rest of it opened up or I'll break it trying. But this is a cool model. I think I might need to print this a little bit larger because I've always wanted a Dalek. I think that would be a lot of fun. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments. In fact, if you're a Doctor Who fan like myself, in the comments, tell me who is your favorite Doctor and why. Bonus points for creativity, and I will pin my favorite comment. That's it for this episode. Just wanted to show you a really cool model that I printed, and I wanted to tell you about where I got it, so you could go and get it and print it yourself. If you do, tag me on the Twitters, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your makes of this model. Beyond all that, don't forget to hug each other more. I love you guys, as always. High five.